Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. In this video, the topic which we are going to discuss is the another utility, likewise SN utility, which we have discussed in my previous video. That is add to update set. Add to update set utility comes with great feature, right? So let's discuss those benefit uh, of using these utilities, and let's get started. For that, we'll have to go to this URL. This browser URL is mentioned in my description page. You can get that details from my description. Usually we are using a update set, and capturing our day-to-day works as a developers or admin people, right? However, with this add to update set utility comes with the feature that the configuration which are already there or which is already missed when we are capturing to the update set. So for that reason, we can use this update set, and this has come with so many features. You can also read the special record handlings here, that what and all feature will be used here. And if you come here, we'll also get to know what and all extra configuration has been done to get this achieved. They have run a business rule, they have also configured script include, and one UI action, along with that some system property. For getting this enabled in our particular instance, we have to download the update set, which I have downloaded now. So we'll go to my instance pack and go to retrieved update set and import that XML. Once the import is done, you can also open this update set and go for the customer updates, that what and all they have configured in this. This is a module. They have configured some system properties, then some script include, business rule and UI action and property categories. And also they have completely mentioned in the description that what and all we can capture by using this utility. So we can preview and commit this update set. Now preview has been done, and also I have completed the, I have committed the update set. So all the features which are here has been committed to my instance. Now we'll see what and all benefit we will get it, and what and all features are enabled using this, right? So when I just search add to update set, we'll get a preferences, add to update set preferences, which has a property. This will tell you what and all we can capture it, what and all we cannot capture it. You can go through all these properties, and also this will tell you whether we have to enable this add to update set for particular admin users. You can mention those user details here. If it is blank, this will be applicable to all the admin users by default. Correct. Now we'll see how it will work. I will just create a simple update set, just to capture this. So I have created a simple update set to capture the existing records. Now we see if I want to capture some business rules, if which is already missed in my previous configuration, and I have to capture that, I can simply go to that business rule. I'll just open this. Once I open this, you see, you can able to see the add to update set UI action has been enabled here. Earlier this update set was not there, and since I have already made this update set and make my current update set, as soon as I click on this update set, add to update set utility, see the current BR has been added to the update set. If you go here and check, see the business rule is added. Likewise, every ServiceNow functionality and feature has this you know option to make that capture available, including your dashboards. I'll show you that also. So now I have opened this. And see here also we have a add to update set. By clicking on this add to update set, that will get captured to your current update set. So this is how you can make a use of this, right? See, this is a simple dashboard I have opened. You have to go to dashboard properties. Like if you dashboard is a critical thing when we are moving from one instance to another instance. So while doing this, see, we have a add to update set. This will capture including all your dashboard widgets, the configuration and the performance analytics filter, whatever we have, right? Everything will be getting captured here. And if you reload this, See, entire dashboard properties has been captured. But so you see, when by using a add to update set feature, you can capture all the existing records, and this is globally enabled across all the features. That's it for this video. So you know how to use add to update set utilities now. Use it and make a use of it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support. Thank you all.